Welcome to Creative Mind. আজি এটা ইনফৰমেশন আহিছে এখন নোটিস dated Guwahati the 7 March 2022 নোটিসখন HSLC আৰু Assam Higher Madrasa examination তাৰ সন্দৰ্ভত ইয়াত চাওক নোটিফিকেশন এইটো This is for information to all the candidates in center inches examiners guardians and all concerned that the forthcoming theory examinations of HSLC AHM will be conducted using the question papers and answer booklets printed in the year 2021 wherever possible. 2021 printed हुआ question booklet एबार परीक्षा पता होबो. As the SEBA did not conduct HSLC AHM examinations in the year 2021 in the manner conducted during pre-COVID-19 period, the question booklets and answer booklet prepared in the year 2021 remain unutilized and are being used for the year 2022 to avoid misuse of natural resources. Researcher misuse no hobor karone hey question booklet aru hey answer ke jotahini ebar use kora hobo. The question paper for 2021 examination was prepared on the basis of a syllabus which is strictly in accordance with the syllabus prescribed by the letter number hey syllabus to mote hobo dated 2nd September 2021 for the HSLC AHM examinations 2021 jetu syllabus dia hoisil hey samoyat hey mote paper hobo Secretary Board of Secondary Education Guwahati 21 ehini important গতিকে এবাৰ মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষা যোৱাবাৰ পেপাৰ মতে হ'ব 2021 ৰ যি পেপাৰ হৈছিল সেই পেপাৰ এবাৰ ইউটিলাইজ হ'ব